Hello, welcome to today's t-shirt design. My name is David. If someone if you're joining me for the first time, I say welcome. Yes, we are in the Christmas season, as you all know. Yes, it's been a tough year, but never mind. We just have to keep going. We just have to stay happy and keep moving forward. It's going to be positive all year round. So for this one, I'm going to be making a simple typography t-shirt. It's not going to take your time at all. Just a very simple typography t-shirt for December, for Christmas. And it's going to be a funny one because if it's not funny, we are not happy. So it's going to be a very funny one for us. And we're going to do this super quick. We're not going to waste time. So for this one, I'm going to be using text only. So I'm going to click on text. And for this one, it's going to be a signature text like this one. So I'm going to click on this. All right, so I'm going to click on this. For this, I'm going to make the background black. So I'll do a white for this one. So I'll just click on that background and make that black because I want the background to be black. Okay, so I have this. As you can see, for it to show a dotted line, that means it's a group text. So I'm going to group that. All right, so now I'll click on this one on top and delete that. So we are just left with this one right about now. So I'm going to do Control A. And for this one, it's going to be Santa. All right. I'm going to say Santa with a comma. All right. So you're going to say Santa. Yeah, I'll just make that bigger. Okay. Like so. And I'll click out. Position that right in the middle. Okay. So it says Santa. So now I'm going to bring in another font, another quick font, a simple font this time. Okay, it's going to be a simple font this time to just pass our message across. So I'm going to increase this. All right, you see this one is grouped 2. So I'm going to ungroup that. Click out, delete this because I don't want that. So we're just left with this one. I'll do Control A again. So for this one, we're going to make it capital letter. We good with a comma. All right. So you can see it's formed on the second line. I don't want that. So I'm just going to drag from this edge, press on your left mouse click button and drag that outwards. So you're left with Santa, we good. Yes, this is just us asking Santa if we're going to get a gift from him for our good behavior, or have we been good so far this year. You can see it didn't take us a lot of time to get this design out. It's a very simple design. You can decide to change the font if you want to. Control A, come over to this font and just try to change the font if you want to. If you don't want that, you can decide to change the font to something else. Okay, you can change the font to something else. Whatever you do, just make sure it's creative enough and easy to read. Okay, make sure it's creative enough and easy to read. Your design does not have to be complicated at all. So we can use this one. Okay, you can just use this one. Say Santa, we good. So it's kind of asking Santa a question. You can see how easy it is. All you need to do now is to download it. Hit on your download button. Click transparent background. If I do that right about now, it's going to tell me to get Canva Pro. So to get Canva Pro for yourself, I would advise you to check the first link in the description for that, and you get that for yourself. And once you get that for yourself, you'll be able to download without the background, and then you'll be able to check out your design. This design is quite simple. This is a typography design. It does not have to take you a lot of time to create this for yourself. So now we can go over and see this for ourselves. For me, I have Pro, so I can work without the background. So with that said, I think we're good with this one. To your right, you see a playlist. Make sure you go to that playlist, and definitely I will see you on the next one. Stay blessed. One love.